Can you see the screen as well?
Yeah.
Now what do I do?
Who's controlling? Your dad or you?
Yeah.
Okay. Now you go to web. Okay. So what you seeing? Start new document. Start new document in the middle of the screen. These are all. Wait, don't click on any one of them yet. Don't click yet. Okay. These are all the template of prototype that you are going to design. The first one is mobile. Okay. There where if you trying to develop a mobile app, you will select the first option to carry on a mobile prototype. Okay, a prototype is a visual representation of the actual application that you are planning to develop for a client. So the visual representation here, they will have the look of how their content will be positioned onto their phone or their website, and then kind of propose some idea about color, about content position, and whatever. So now the second one is web, which of course, which we are going to start with, because after the web, we'll be going into the WordPress Elementor designing. Okay, so the next one, the Instagram story, is just to create stories for Instagram, a prototype of how the story is going to be like. And the following one is custom size. That is, you have a size, a screen, that will just say some hospital equipment that you decide to make a prototype for a specific software. You have to go and get the dimension of that identical equipment, and then come and choose a custom size and start to carry on prototyping on it. So select the web version, the web. Are you with me?
Yeah.
Hello?
Yes. Hello.
Yeah, we don't have one.
Okay, select the web version.
Wait, it closed. I selected web and then it closed.
Yeah, you just wait. You just wait. Once you select web, you have to minimize the whenever you select web, they will open another page. This is the web page that is selected. Maximize it exactly. Okay. So the page that you are seeing here is okay. The page that you are seeing here is the web page. Okay. This is how the web page is going to be like. Okay. So we are going to create a home page. We are going to create the about page. We are going to create a lot of stuff. Okay. First, before going to design whatsoever we need to design on this page, we are going to follow or talk about all of these tools or parts or how do you call it? All of the tools that are found on the application. Okay, we will first start by your left hand. Okay, right beneath the home icon. So carry the pointer there. If you are seeing there, carry the pointer there. Okay, the select tool. The select tool help you to select element on the design board. Okay, that is the select tool. Whenever you want to select an element on a design board, there way you are going to click and then try to select different element on the board and reposition them. The next one is the rectangle. Okay, the next one The rectangle help you to uh, design different type of form. Okay, it help you with button. It help you with container. You know about container, right? When you are doing CSS, uh, okay. So it help you with container. It help you with a lot of stuff. So based on your own creativity, you can use it for different thing. Okay, you can customize the look of it to give you different results. Okay, the next one we're having the Eclipse tool. The Eclipse tool, it help you give you a cycle element. Okay, the Eclipse helps you with a cycle element, which is that cycle. Okay, and the next one, it is the same element in the same form. Go beneath the Eclipse. Okay, it also gave you additional form. So we're having four elements here that give you form. The first one, the rectangle, the second one, the third one, and the fourth one, which is the line. Okay, the fourth one, which is the line, it help you with line to draw it, different stuff on the board that you desire to draw. Okay, and the next one is a pen tool. It help you to draw also. Okay, and following that is a text tool. The text tool allow you to write all of your content, anything you desire to write in text on your prototype. The text tool helps you with that. And the fourth one, it helps you with new art bowl. And what is an art bowl? An art bowl is what we are designing on. The page that we are designing on is called an art bowl. Okay, so every page is an art bowl, a bowl in which you are carrying on all of your graphic art. Okay, so every page is an art bowl. So once you click on that page, a new art bowl will be added. So just try clicking on that on the art bowl tool right beneath the text tool. Okay, try clicking on the art bowl. You have new art bowl. Just just click. Have you clicked?
Click on it again. Click on this one again. Yeah.
What if you fix it? Let me see.
Hello?
Yes.
When you click on it, it appear like five phone.
No, asking him which layout he want. Try clicking on it again. Let me see.
Click on it again.
Okay, once it is selected, yeah, are you there? No, go there.
And I'm going
Go and
to
select it. Go and select it. Once it is selected, then you can come on top of the art bowl that you have. Don't click, just come on top of it. The art bowl in the middle of the screen, the white small screen that you're having. Okay, you see? Don't click. Okay, no, don't click. Bring the pointer in the middle. Just okay. No, don't click. Don't click, Junior. Press Control. Press Control Z to undo. Okay. You see? Once you click, it will add new art bowl. Okay. If you click on the right, it will add the art bowl on the right. If you click on the left side of the art bowl, it will add the art bowl on the left. Okay. So try clicking down there. You'll see it will go on the right because you have already passed. Hello?
yes.
Go on your right a little bit. Just go on your right. On your right. Keep on. Keep on. Just click. No. Come back. Leave to the scene area. Come back. Come back over the ad. Okay. You can click now. You see? Once you click on the right side of the ad bowl, the ad bowl will be placed on the right. And whenever you click on the left side of the ad bowl will be click on the left. Okay? Which one on the mouse you using there? The mouse you have here having scrolling tool on it, the scrolling stuff on it, on the mouse.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I have it.
To zoom it, you scroll, you draw it to you. To unzoom it, you carry the scrolling tool behind. No. Hello?
Yes.
Look. Stick your hand on the control to do that. On the control, on the control keyboard.
Oh.
Okay. To zoom it, to unzoom it. You see?
Oh.
Just click on it. Yeah, let's have the control key.
Yeah.
Okay. Are you seeing it?
Papa, you want to?
Yeah,
Okay.
just click on it.
So to zoom, you have to you have to stick your hand on the control or the command on the keyboard, and then you scroll the mouse back and forward. If you don't want to work with the mouse, you stick your hand on the control, you press plus and minus on the keyboard to zoom and unzoom. Okay. So
Yeah, what?
try the keyboard with the plus and minus, control plus and minus.
Yeah, I'm using that. It's working.
Okay. Okay. So now uh try selecting. When I say try selecting a artboard, Junior,
Yes.
try selecting an artboard. Delete those three artboard that you just added. Try deleting those three artboard. I don't want you to use Control Z. Okay.
We have
I
to
want you to select an artboard. You need to go and select the selecting tool. Go and select the selecting tool.
add body size so you have to click on it.
Wait, the selecting. Where is the selecting tool?
The selecting tool is the first tool on your, the first
That's
tool.
that one. At the top. The top. The top. Oh wait, that is one. Descend. Là-bas, non? Là où il y a le rectangle, là. Il passe en haut du rectangle. Et this one, right?
Voilà.
Select. See? Selection select. Click on it.
Okay.
Then you have to click on it.
Once you click on the selecting tool, that you can be able to select those artboard and delete them. Okay. How do we select those artboard? By clicking on the name of the artboard. Okay. There are two ways in which we can do that. Okay. One way, if you look at the artboard right on top, the upper left hand corner, you will see a name there. So zoom in and see the name. You only select the name, and then the entire artboard will be selected. Are you with me?
Yes.
Click on it.
Okay.
Click on the name. Yeah. Go click on the name. The name is here.
The next two, don't click on the first one. Reserve the first one, the next two. The next two. No, I mean the next two artboard. You should delete the next two artboard.
But I think here the name is on the beside of the page.
The
One
upper
second.
left.
Finally, this one and this one.
Yeah, delete that one and the one next to the first one.
Okay, just click on the name.
Click on the name, Junior. Junior,
Yes.
I want you to learn how to click on the name. Or other than that, if you click on the artboard, there will be some element that will be there that will remain on the screen. Okay.
Okay.
So the name is on top. Try zooming your artboard. Try zooming it.
Oh, hold on.
See the
So
name?
you see the name, that is
Yeah.
the name up there. Once you select the name, the entire artboard and those elements that is going to be placed on the artboard will be selected. And you like that, you can delete every one of them together. Okay. But if you just go and click in the middle of the artboard and start to delete, it will delete only the artboard that you selected. Okay. So now, uh, we try to do some stuff at the same time. We try to explore other parts of the artboard. Okay,
Okay.
other part of the application. So next to that is the menu up. Okay, right after the home button, we're having design, we're having prototype, we got share. Okay, are you seeing those three stuff?
Mhm.
The design, it gives you it gives you access to all of these elements on your left hand that we just formed talking about. Okay, and those elements are two that you use to design your prototype. So because we are in the design mode, this is why all of these two appears here. Okay, and we'll go to the prototype. Click on the prototype. You see, once you click on the prototype, all of those two that were on your left, every one of them disappear. Okay, because in the prototype mode, we cannot design, but instead we make the prototype or the design that we just make to be functional, interactive. Okay, that is whenever we click on an element, it should be responsive. Okay, it shouldn't just be just that like something that is not responsive. So the prototype enable us to carry on animation transition between page and page element or whatsoever on the board. Okay, so to the share option enables you to share your prototype with another person uh, who has Adobe in order to explore your work, or with a client that you can call the client and say, oh, install a tool called Adobe. And once you install it, then you share this, you ask him for his email address that he register with Adobe, you share your document with him, and then he will remain right to your office and then see the prototype. If he sees something that he's not okay with, he tells you that, oh, XYZ is not okay, and then you remain to your office or home and rectify what he requests for. Okay, are you there?
Yes.
So the Adobe XD, it enables you to get the maximum wish of your client before going into development. Okay, so the client will kind of tell you that, oh, he's satisfied with what he's seeing, and that will be like 50% of the look of his website, of his work that he needs you to do. Okay, so we return to the design mode. We will try to explore them bit by bit. We will continue to repeat them over and over so that we can get familiar with them. Okay, so now what are we going to do? We are going to develop a website. Okay, and now how are we going to develop that website? This is where we are. Okay, so in a website, we having a header, we're having a body, and we're having a footer, right?
Mhm.
Okay, so and a header is always in its own container, a body is in its own container, and a footer is in always in its own container, right?
Mhm.
Okay, so now what are we going to do? We are going to create a container for the header, a container for the body, and a container for the footer. Okay, so
Okay.
when I first started to talk about those the drawing or designing tool, I told you that the rectangle is used in XD as a container, is used in XD as a button, and a lot of stuff. It all left with you, the designer, to kind of think or be more creative and use it for whatsoever you want it to be, to represent. So select the rectangle tool. Once you select the rectangle tool, you start to draw. Come over the eyeball, start to draw from the upper left hand corner. You carry all the way to the upper right hand corner. You carry up. It should have a space, okay, a space of a tab, okay, a space of a nav bar, okay. So if you think that that height is okay, then you can stop it there. If you think that height is okay, come down because the logo need to be placed in it. Okay, you can go up. Okay, go up a little bit. Go up a little bit. I think that will be okay. That is nice.
Well,
Go up a little bit.
mm,
Okay, you can stop there. Okay, so that you have now create a container that is going to have some element placed in it. That it have menu. We are going to make the home page. We are not going to make services, the about and the contact page. Okay. So what next are you going to do? You are going to create the footer. Okay. So the, the rectangle tool is already selected. You just have to go and click to the lower left hand corner or the lower right hand corner and start to draw the footer also.
similar to
Okay.
No, it depends really if you think that that is how the photo should be, very tiny. It's up to you. If you want to increase it because you want to place in logo, you want to place in subscribing area, all left with you. It's okay like that. Okay, so I think you can see a space in the middle. Okay, the space in the middle is going to be the space for the body. Okay, so you have to select the end edge or the beginning edge of any of these two, the photo and the header, and fill in that place with a container also. You with me? Hello? Hello?
Yes, Counselor.
Yes, start drawing a container from the in edge of any of these two and fill it into that entire space that is between them.
A square here.
Yeah, exactly. Fill it exactly. Okay. So now you have to change the color of those three. Okay. You have to change the color of those three so that we can know what is going on. So in order to select them, like I said, whenever you want to select any of these the form of element that you have already placed onto the screen, you have to go and click on the select tool. Click on the select tool, okay, and select the header, okay. Then, no, only select it. You should only click it, okay. So, so, okay. I want you to observe something, okay. Whenever you are designing, there is a panel on your right hand, and that panel that is on your right hand is a setting panel for for the identical form or element that you have selected. Okay, so all these things that you are seeing on your right hand, you can what uh, put an effect or change color, the opacity, or blend whatsoever element onto that identical element that you have drawn or you have selected. Okay, so for now we are going to talk about all of these elements that are on the right hand before filling in a color or changing a border color. Okay, we're having the first element at the top. The first tool at the top is the alignment tool. Yeah, these are the alignment tool. If you want to align element with one another, that is what you are going to use. But you should be very careful with what you are selecting. And other than that, you are going to spoil all of your work that is not going to be restored by unless you press the Control Z. So these are the alignment tool that you have here. The first one, go on the first one. The first one tells you to align at the very top. Okay, the first one tells you to align at the very top. The second one tells you to align at the middle. Go on the second one. Okay, the middle vertically. Okay, the first one, the top vertically. The second one is the middle vertically. And the third one is the bottom vertically. Okay, so the next one that you're having, that is to make it exactly. That is, if you're having more than 2 3 different elements that are placed by one another, that is the time you are going to select that one so that it can calculate the space that needed to be shared for those 2 elements so that they can be even. Okay, so following that is to be placed on your left hand horizontally. No, no, no. I mean, it's the following two. Yeah, the following two is to be placed on your left hand horizontally. Go to the following two. Okay, right there. To be placed on your left hand horizontally, and the following one is to be placed in the middle horizontally. Okay, and the last one is to be placed on your right horizontally. And the last one that you having there that is disabled, once you select more than 2 different elements, it will help to share the remaining space between those elements evenly, so that one element shouldn't have a lot of space and what the other doesn't have being or even space equal to the first one. Okay, so the next line, go on the next line. The next line we having a repeat grade. Okay, the repeat grade, it helps you to what uh, carry on a fast design. That is, in order for you to design one button over and over, or a card, a shopping cart over and over, you only design it one time. And once you click on the repeat grade and try to drag it on your right or on your left, it helps to repeat that element uh, with like one, if you want one copy or 2 copy or 3 copy. It's just a shortcut of copying and pasting an element. It's very fast. Okay, following to that is a blending element. Follow the following one right after the repeat element. No, up. You see in the up after the same line of the repeat grid. Okay, you see those are the blending element. Okay, it help you to add 2 elements together and convert it into one to give you different shape. Okay, you can use those two or those shape or those rectangle to write from A to Z. Okay, all depends on your creativity. Like what I told you, you can have any element, anything you wish to design in this XD. By using this tool that you just selected, you can help to convert 2 to 3 or 4, 10 different shapes to one single shape. Okay, so the first one is to add. That is, if you put the 2 elements together, it will subtract their intersection and make them one. Are you there? Junior, you getting me? You understand what I said? Hello, I'm not getting you. You hearing me?
Yes, Pastor.
Yeah, you can even do what he said. When you click it, you make the intersection, you make it one. That's what he said.
Hello?
Yes, Pastor.
Yeah, are you hearing me?
Yeah.
So in order for us to carry on a demonstration, we are going to, okay, first of all, before we can carry on a demonstration, let's just drop down to the fill area, okay, so that we can change the color of these things so that the work can be temporary. Come down, you will find fill, and the fill enable you to insert a color into an element on the screen. So that is by default is always white. So you click on that fill area to where you find the white, click in there, no, the fill, yeah,
Okay.
click in, yeah, click, and then select any color there, blue, whatsoever, select it. Then click in the color area to select the solid color, like, yeah, no, click the color, no, yeah, click anywhere there, okay. Go up also and do the same.
Wait, hold on.
No, forget about that one, just go up, yeah, click there and then change the color also, okay. Come down and change the color also. Okay, so now, in order for us to work with those blending tool to change shape of one things to another, we are going to bring in a rectangle and a cycle. So go and select the rectangle tool and draw it in the middle, very small, in the middle, all right, draw it there. Okay, it's okay. And then you bring a cycle. No, forget about that. Welcome. Bring the cycle, and draw a at the half portion of the rectangle, almost like you want to have a lap cup, okay, those lap element that they have in the laboratory. Draw it attached on the rectangle. So to make it round, you stick your hand on shift, okay. You have to if you want to drag it, you have to select it here first, Junior. Go and click on the selecting tool. Other than that, you keep drawing, okay. Carry it on top of the rectangle. Any part of the rectangle you want to place it at, okay. You want to place it in the corner, no, let it touch the rectangle, because you want to subtract, let it touch the rectangle, the first rectangle you draw. Yeah, the white one, okay. You can bring it down small, bring it down, okay, it's okay there. No, carry up small, let it touch, okay, okay, it's okay. So now, in order for you to see what I'm talking about, you have to select, stick your hand on control. Since the first one is already selected, stick your hand on control. You click on the second one behind.
Which one?
Select, click on it,
I don't know if it's
control, and this
You
one.
click on the one that is beyond, the rectangle beyond. Yeah. Okay. Do it with shift. If the control is not working, do it with shift. Don't change the position. Stick your hand on shift.
Yes.
Your hand on shift. Is your hand on shift?
Yes.
Okay, don't remove your hand from on shift. Uh, come on top of the cycle and click on the cycle.
No, no, here.
No, no. Okay, click. You see, the two elements have been selected. And once the two elements are selected, you are going to see to the setting panel where after the repeat query, all of these elements that are there will be available now for clicking. First it was disabled, now they are enabled. Are you seeing there?
Yeah.
Okay, carry the mouse there. Click on the first one. The first one is to add. Add means to add the two content together and becomes one. Okay. Once you
No, no,
once you click on the add, go on the no next, not the repeat query. Next. Yeah. Once you click on the add, you see, when they click, they having a shortcut key which is Control Actual U. Okay. Once you click on the add, it will combine the two elements and it give you new form. Okay. So try and click on the add. So you see, okay, they have been changed to one. So now when you change the color will change. And once you deselect it and then you try to select it, it will just select in order considering it not to be one element. Okay. So you have unadd it. So you have to click back on the add so that it can carry on the effect. Click back on the add. You see? So now you're seeing that the add is in blue background, which means it is active on this identical element. It has now converted these two elements to one element. Okay? Are you get the understanding, you get the logic? Hello?
Yes.
You understand what happened, right?
Yeah.
So now try changing the field color, you see what will happen. Just select any color. So you see, every one of them,
It's combined now.
yeah, it's combined. So try selecting them again.
Oh, oh.
Okay. So now it's combined as one. Okay. So return back to the add and click on the add. Return back to right after the grid. Click on the add so that it can be it can uncombine. Click on the add, the first one. Yeah. So we go on to use the next element. Have you clicked on it? Click it. Okay. So now, as you can see, it has been return. Come back to the form. Come back to those elements there. Reposition the eclipse, which is the cycle, on the upper right hand corner. No, not there. Come down. Yeah. Click outside of there because they are kind of all selected. Click out. Okay, select the cycle and carry to the upper right hand corner. In the middle of the upper right hand corner. No, on the identical rectangle that you are trying to, the upper right hand corner of the rectangle that it was placed over. Don't always be avoid clicking the left mouse, the right side of the mouse. Drag it and carry on top of the upper left hand corner or the upper right hand corner of. Hello?
Yeah, he said he's not understanding from this time. Just go with it.
Hello?
Yeah, Francois.
Yeah.
Yeah, he said he didn't understand the last point.
Okay, I said that he should place it on the upper left hand or the upper right hand corner of that tiny rectangle that he changed the color. Okay, right there. Okay, so try again selecting the two of them. No, 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 no. Try selecting the two of them.
He said,
No, 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 no. Don't do that. You will select even click out, click out of the add bowl. Okay, try selecting those two. Okay,
how to put
shift. Okay, then go to subtract and see what will happen. You see what happened? It changed the form, it changed the look. That is, the element that was placed on top of its friend subtracted the area that was intercepted by the two elements. Okay, so it subtracted the area that was intercepted by the element that was placed on top of it to get different look or different element or different object. So that's the work of subtract. Okay, so go back and click on the subtract tool. You go to the next one is intercept. Okay, the intercept will help. You see what happened?
Yeah, it's
It
once
help
the
main, okay, it help maintain the area that were intercepted, okay, and then delete the other places that were not intercepted, okay. Click on it again and see what happened. So you see the area that is intercepted, once you click on it, the area that is intercepted right there will be reserved, and the area that is not intercepted will be removed, okay. So you see, so the last one is to remove the area that is intercepted and reserve the area that is not intercepted.
Oh yeah.
So,
I know what it is. Oh yeah.
so you see,
Mhm.
so that is the work of those blending tools, okay. Here, extract element from one part or combine element from one part to its friend, okay. So we proceed. Delete them, press the delete on the keyboard since the two of them are already selected. Click delete A, press delete. Yeah, just press delete on the keyboard. Select the other one too, the other tiny one.
This one.
Yeah, delete. Okay. So now we are going gradually, okay? So I want you to familiarize yourself with the text tool. Select the text tool and then come in the middle of the header, the middle of the header. Okay, try clicking there and write home, like home, HOME.
How do I make it bigger?
Pardon me?
Make it bigger.
I'm not getting you clear.
How do I make it bigger?
How do you make it big?
Yeah.
Yeah, we will get there. This is why I asked you to use the tool, the text tool. We are coming there, okay?
Okay.
So once you are done, go and click on the select tool. Okay,
And select
there,
home. Oh
there,
yeah, I understand.
okay. So there are two ways to make it big and to make it small. You select the area and push it up to make it small. You select it and drag it down to make it big. Okay.
Okay.
So select the same area that you are making it big to drag it up to make it small. Select the text. So you see, the more you push it back, the more it becomes small. The more you bring it forward, the more it becomes big.
It's even disappeared.
Okay. Okay. But it disappear doesn't mean that it is not available on your artboard. It is there, but it's just tiny with a very tiny pixel. So reduce the weight, reduce the pixel. Okay, that is okay. Place it. Okay, carry up. No, bring it on your right little bit. Bring it on your right little bit. Okay, that is okay there. Okay. So now, don't just hold on. Okay. Now we are going to use the alignment tool so that you can see the importance of alignment tool. Okay. First click. First, hello. Are you? Wait. First click on the header container.
This one?
Yeah. Once you have clicked on the header container, hold down Shift and click on the text. No, and click on the text home. Okay. Have you clicked?
Yeah.
Okay. Once you have clicked on the text too, now go to the container area because the two of them they are placed horizontally. They are not placed vertically. Okay. So now you are going exactly. Okay. You see there? Well, I don't want you to use that. Go to the vertically alignment so that it can remain in that same position, but then be center with the element or center with the container. So just observe the text, what will happen. You see? You saw what happened, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So it remain in the same direction, but it only change the position vertically because it only wanted to get in the center of the text or of the container of the navbar. Okay. So now you can deselect the two of them by clicking out of the eye. Okay. So now click on the home. You should be careful, Junior.
Yes.
Once you are clicking, once you are clicking on those elements, just go over it and click. Don't click and drag. Okay, when you click and drag, you will spoil your works sometimes. Okay, so once you select it, I want you to repeat uh, the grade that you have in there, that is the text that you have in there, so that you can just change the element or the content within it. You We do this by selecting the repeat grade right after the alignment tools to the setting area. Click on it. And once you click on it, it will give you two little button or indication on the left and on the right. The on the right and on the bottom. The right, it helps you to copy and paste on your right, and the bottom help you to copy and paste to the bottom. So we only want three of that. No, on your right, we want three of that on your right. No, 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 that is the space. No, 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 go back. Okay. You click on the white button. Okay, you should be careful. Okay, scroll down on your right and paste three.
Scroll with the mouse.
Yeah, yeah, drag it with the mouse, the same way you were doing at first. Drag it on your right hand side. Keep on. Keep on. One more. Okay, that is okay. No, return. Remove that other home. Remove. Right there. Release the mouse. Okay. Once you release the mouse, you are you there with me?
Yes.
Okay. Go back between any of the two home. You reduce the space a lot. Any of these two home, no, any between any two homes that you have in there, go between them in the middle of them. Go between them. Okay, you see, you have the two arrow placed there. That helps you to define the space that you want to be placed between the. So when you click on it, you carry on your right hand side is to add space between them. When you carry on your left, you see what happening? Okay, so that is okay. And once you are done, go and click to where you are having repeat grade. It will be there on group grades. Okay, and once you ungroup them, you have to delete, you have to, okay, once you ungroup them, then you just go into the second home and double click in there and write about. Go in the third one, you write service, and the fourth one, you write contact. Double click in them to write. Go into the second home, double click in it, and then start writing now. You can put their services or about. Put their services. Okay, the next one about. And the last, yeah, the following one, contact, delete that one. That delete that entire contact from there. Please contact there and delete that first, that the contact I just from writing. Okay, hello? Hey, wait, leave it there, remain it there, Junior. You remain it there, okay? Once you are done, hmm, you getting me?
Yes. Yes. Wait, I can't hear you. Guys, can you go, please?
Hello?
My phone is restarted. Yes, I'm sorry.
Once you are done, try selecting all of them. That is by pressing shift, you select home, about, and services.
Yeah.
Select contact too.
I selected it.
Contact is not selected. Okay, now it's selected. So now you want for them to be having the same space between one another, right? So there where now you have to go to the alignment area. Alignment, right? No, come back. You know, next, next. You see in there? So that is the space between them horizontally. So once you click it, it will give them equal space between them. So click it. Select it, Junior.
Yeah, selected. That click it.
Yeah, click. So you see, it gives them equal space. Okay. So that is the nav bar. Okay. 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 So now what I want you to do, I want you come in the middle. Deselect them, select the home, press Ctrl D to duplicate.
Yeah, I did that in PowerPoint. I don't know if it's the same thing here.
What?
I did this in PowerPoint. I doubled it. I press Control D and then it duplicates.
Yeah. So place it in the middle of the body.
Here?
Yeah. And then go and change the fill color to white.
Here,
Yeah, change the fill color to white.
the body.
No, the fill color of the text to white. I told you whatsoever element you select, the property that is here is restricted to only that element. Exactly. So you see what happened? So I want you to go and click on the artboard name, the artboard name,
About.
the artboard name, the artboard name, the artboard name is over the left upper corner. The web 1920. The artboard name. On the artboard is a, okay, click on the name, select the name. You see it? Once you select the name, it select the entire element. Press Ctrl D to duplicate. You see? I want you double click in this in services, copy it, Ctrl C. You done? Double click in home in the body, to the body area, to the body area. Paste, Ctrl V. Okay. Then go again to the artboard name again of that identical area you are. Okay, Ctrl D to duplicate. Select the about, double click and copy. Copy and paste it down. No, no. Paste. Control V, just press your Control V. No, press Control Z. Control Z, Junior. Okay, click in there. Control V.
Now,
Okay.
do the same thing with contact.
Yeah, duplicate for contact also. Is your dad there?
Yeah, it's right here.
Yeah, here. I want to
Okay,
call
okay,
that update.
okay, okay.
That's why
So,
I'm calling it because people keep calling me exactly.
okay, okay. On Zoom, the art bowl. You should unzoom it. I want you to go to the first art bowl. Unzoom this art bowl. Unzoom is control with the mouse or plus or minus. Okay, carry the pointer over the first one, then you zoom, keep zooming. Okay, now it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Select the prototype. Go and select prototype. Okay, you see, once you select prototype, elements are going to loss from here. So the prototype enables you to make an interactive appearance between the pages or your application or whatsoever you are designing. Okay, so this is the home page. We don't need to assign a prototype to the home menu, but instead on the services menu. So go and click on services on the first page. No, 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 no. Remain on the prototype. Select services. Just click one time. You see, once you click one time, you have a blue icon there. And that blue icon trying to ask you that whenever you click on this element, where do you want me to send you? Okay, which page do you want to look at or what element do you want to look at? So you just drag it and carry it to the second page. Click there and hold that blue pointer and drag it. Go on the blue. Okay, drag it onto the services page. Drag it on service, the next page. Voila. Just remain it. You don't need to put it on the name. Just it should just touch any part of the bowl. Okay, you see it? It will snap at the beginning. So that's it. Okay, so now on the services page, click on the home. Because you want, whenever you are on the services page and you click on the home page, you should come on the home area. Snap it on the home page too.
Move it. No. Like the same way.
The home is the first page, Junior.
It's already there. Yeah, it's here.
Home. Junior, the home button. Yeah. No, on the services page. Yeah. Snap it on the home. Okay. Leave it. You don't need to go over the name. Just snap it anywhere. Okay. Okay. Click on the about on the home page and carry it to the about page. Okay. Go on the about page on the services page. The about on services. The about on services page.
That's
Jun-
for about. About where is about page? About the about. Okay, let me see what we have here.
Select the about. No, go on the services page and select the about menu.
Okay.
Drag it on the about page. Okay. Now go on the about page
Yeah.
and then select services. You know what to do.
Yeah, that's it here.
And click on home on the same about page.
Yeah, the home of about page. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Then the contact on the home page.
Yeah. Okay, okay, for that.
You carry it to the contact. Yeah. The contact on the services page.
Hold on, hold on.
Contact on the services page. And the contact on the about page. No, Junior, no, 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 no.
About page is here. Contact page.
Oh, no, on the contact page.
Contact is come here. You want to click here. Come on here. Yeah, yeah.
So you see, what you should observe is that once we are on a specific page, we are not going to assign prototype of that menu of that page. This is why you see we don't touch about on the about page, we don't touch contact on the contact page, we don't touch home on the home page, and we never touch services on the services page. That is whenever the person try to click, they will remain on the same services page. You understand it?
Yeah.
Okay. So now you have to select the home on the contact page and connect the pages.
You can finish the remaining now.
The
Right?
services, yeah, you can finish the
Yeah,
remaining.
the remaining now.
But I don't know if it's
Look, you see about? When you click on about, it has to take you to about.
Select the services yet first. Select the services and go in order. Okay.
Yeah, okay, services. You click on it and come to services. You understand? When you click on the about, you come to about. Right? Then you don't touch the contact because it's already there.
Okay. So now to see your work, to see the interactive, to see the pages changing, that is you want to play, you want to launch it now so your client can see it. Go the upper right hand corner, you will see a play button there. Select it.
okay.
Click it, Junior. Click it. So you see your web page open. So once you click on home, you'll see it will go to home page. So try to click on any of this menu and see how interactive it is.
How you understand it?
Oh, yeah.
Because before he didn't know where all is going.
So the reason why I asked you to rate in the body contact, just to show you how the content is going to be changed whenever you click on any menu. Okay. So you see in the effect.
Yeah.
Okay. So now close it. I just wanted you to have knowledge of what is going to happen in the background. Okay. So now we are going to develop some the stuff. I don't know, you having photos in the computer?
What?
You got photos in the computer, right?
Photos?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Word
So
okay.
hello.
Yes.
If you're having photos, then we can proceed. Let's proceed. Uh, g- m- l- Enlarging the first page, the home page.
Okay. Yes.
Okay. Select the home text that is in the middle there. But before doing that, we are going on to design. Okay. Here we are no more going on functionality, but instead we are going on to design. So if you want to design, what you need to do is to click on the design menu.
Okay. Hold on.
Okay. So delete that home text that you have in the middle of the screen. Select the body container. Okay, it's been selected, right? Now, you have been going on some website where you can find the pictures swinging or passing, right? Changing instantly. Am I right? Okay. Huh? I said you have access some website where you, whenever you go on the homepage, you will find the picture passing one by one, right?
Yeah, like Siteweb.
Exactly. So what you do now, you have already selected this page. You have to repeat grade, okay? You have to repeat grade, and once you repeat grade, then you can insert your picture in all of this grade. Once you have been you complete it, then we will go to the following step to make net to be responsive. Okay, hello.
Yeah.
So what I want you to do, in order for us to focus on one page, you already having knowledge on the prototyping, right?
Yeah.
I would like you to do it over later on, but I want us to focus on one page and insert the pictures and other things. Okay, the strolling effect. So delete the other ad board that you having before you there.
The others.
Yeah, delete every
Or
one of
just
them. No, don't delete that one. Remain the home there. On Zoom, you just delete them. On Zoom, on Zoom the screen. Okay, you select them and delete them. Select the name. No, 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 never do that. Zoom it and select the name. You see what will happen?
yeah.
Okay, zoom it. Zoom the screen. Zoom the ad board. Select the name of the ad board and delete the entire ad board. Press delete. Select the next one also and delete. Delete. And the last one, delete. Okay, return back now enlarging it. Okay, it's okay. Okay. No. Okay. It's okay. Reduce a little bit because we are going to add certain effect. Reduce a little bit. Okay. Now select the body. Once you select the body, I want you to repeat grade. Just have like 2 copy of this one. Repeat grade. And then carry on your, yeah, 2 times. Yeah, 2 times. 1, 2 is okay. Okay. Once you are done, go to ungroup grade.
Where?
Ungroup grade. Okay. So you see what happened? So then select the first one on the home page. Yeah. Go into your computer. You having picture there, right?
Yeah.
Okay, go to your computer. Okay. Select.
I do not have a lot.
You don't have more. These are photos that you have in there. You don't have more photos. Okay, just go to any one of this element. The one that is horizontally will be okay. The recent. Click on the recent. As recent area. The recent one. Okay. Okay. Select it and try dragging it anyway. No, 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 no. No. You see what will happen? I don't want it to be like that. Just Just look at what I want you to do. Delete that. Go to your folder. Click on folder. Don't go to the picture. Close this. Go to folder.
Where?
Folder in the computer. Any folder. Okay. Click on pictures. Screenshot, or I don't know. Okay. So just select the first one and drag it down until it can be placed over the Adobe XD. Don't close it. Okay. Okay. You seeing it? Release it. So that
Oh,
it will take the entire weight of the XD. So you do the second one also. You see it? Huh? So if you had more photos there, you could have uh, I don't know where else again you can get photo from. Okay, try downloading the photo from on Google. Okay, check post the student or computers or whatever website beaches. Okay, click on images. Make sure the image should be landscape image. Yeah, the width should be more than the height. Okay, that one. Select that one.
this one?
Yeah, any one of that one. They're having larger width than height. No, open. Click on it. Click it so that you can get it. No, no, don't do that. Select it from there. Just click on the photo. No, click on the photo. Just click. Okay. Then right click now on the photo on your left. No, 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 no. How you want? Okay, no problem. I wanted you to save it in the computer. Anyway, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Okay. So now you having 3D images. Change the first one. Go on the website again. Drag another one so that I can have good look. Place different thing that change from beach to different thing.
Wait.
Wait, wait yet. Okay, you can drag it down. Okay, so now you have to select the 3D one of them. 1, 2, 3. Select it with the shift. You click on the first one, shift, second one, shift, the third one.
I shift. What do I do after I shift?
Click. Shift, you click, you go on the second one, stick your hand on the shift and click to select every one of them. Okay, okay. Now on your right hand,
Oh, sorry,
you have to go by and click. Be careful. Oh, Junior. Press Control Z. It won't, Control Z. Z. Okay. Shift and click. You only click, don't drag your mouse. No, 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 no. Go back to the first one. Shift and click. Junior, you are not still selecting the first one. Okay, they are all selected now. No, click back. Click back on the first one. You are still changing, you are still dragging the mouse. Control Z. No, Junior, don't do that. Control Z. Control Z. Control Z.
That's also okay.
Okay. Shift and click the last one. Shift and click the last one. Only the last. Okay. Okay. Then go on to the setting area. Go on your right hand. Don't click, don't click, just carry the mouse there. Come down you to where you find transform. Right beneath transform, you will find some numbers and other things, the degree, rotation, and down right after the number, the last number, the height. You will find another one like the arrow on top and arrow over. Okay, so go on your left hand side, the next one, it will say flip horizontally. No, 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 no. Keep on a same line. Go back to the setting. Flip horizontally. Go to the flip horizontally. Go on your right. Go on your right one step. One step, come back one step. Okay, you see there? There is the scroll group. Okay, so you select it.
Okay.
Yeah, click on it and see what will happen on the screen. You see what happened? Okay, you saw what happened, right? So go on the zoom it. Zoom it. Zoom. Okay, make it small a little bit. Make it small. No, 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 no. On zoom it, let it just be able to be visible to us. Okay, okay, okay. So what you seeing the blue pointer on the photo. Yeah, drag it all the way to the beginning.
Oh.
Okay, okay. So now play the screen, play the prototype or play the design. So now you see what happened. It appears on the screen. Hold the pointer and try to drag it. Hold the pointer and try to drag it.
Oh. For some, let me to the bathroom.
Okay, okay. Your dad is there, right?
Hold on.
Okay, go and use the bathroom. Oui, mais il laisse le domaine maintenant. Tu dois payer le domaine. Et tu as hébergement, ça ne veut pas dire que tu as dormi. C'est le domaine maintenant qui reste à acheter, OK?
Adult François.
Yes, hello?
Okay, I'm back.
Okay. So you see in the scrolling effect, right? Okay. So what I want you to do, you getting me?
Yeah.
What I want you to do, we are going to stop here for today. I want you to repeat this step over and over until tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay?
I will. And I have the video, so
Yeah, so once you are stuck, you repeat the step over and over. I'm going to send also
a
Adobe
video.
XD video
I'm gonna
for
look.
YouTube.
I'm gonna look at the scratch video tomorrow. Are we gonna connect ourselves tomorrow?
Yeah, tomorrow also we are going to get connected.
At what time tomorrow?
Tomorrow at the same time.
Okay.
Okay? So that you go on YouTube and be watching video on Stretch and video on Adobe XD and be repeating whatsoever you see people doing there. That way enable you to learn faster. Okay?
Okay.
So I advise you after you drop from here, go on YouTube and look for Stretch, or you check on your father WhatsApp. I send the Stretch link and try to do one or two things from there. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Bye, François.
All right. Take care.
Bye. See you tomorrow.
Okay.